Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: game updates installed, online permissions granted, and the core universe progress unlocked. Once done, focus on 2 KID and career goals that unlock facilities. You need enough in-game currency and specific creation assets to buy or enable the motion capture studio. The why is simple. The studio is gated behind progression and purchases to ensure you've invested time and met skill checks. So, prepare resources and hit the first unlock triggers now. You now move into the complex middle. Head to the mode that controls facilities, My Career, Universe, or Creation Suite, and locate the Facilities or Studio menu. Once there, complete the listed objectives, milestone matches, practice drills, and any token-based challenges that grant access. Make sure to convert progress into currency or tokens, and then purchase the Motion Capture Studio slot. The why? These steps validate player progression and prevent early access. Follow them methodically to avoid. You finish by installing and configuring the Motion Capture Studio. Assign a station, import any required rigs, and run an initial short capture to confirm functionality. Once done, save templates and export the data so you don't repeat setup. If the studio remains locked, first verify the game and DLC are fully updated, then recheck your progression logs and currency balance. If issues persist, record the save ID and contact support. That troubleshooting step clears most edge case locks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.